So this is a wooden box that shoulder, not fucker, that was made from something like this, which is a cheap box from Rona. I was bored. I'm waiting for some stuff to come in so I can finish the fence posts. So I got bored, and I decided, because one of the slats had come off that crappy box, to use some of my scrap wood. So there's aromatic cedar, walnut, padauk, beech, purple heart, black limber, oak, cherry, all in this box. It's all sanded to 320 grit. Any of the gaps, because I wasn't being particularly exact with my marking, any of the gaps has been filled with Smooth Cast 321, which is a 2-part resin, and then a thing called So Strong, which is a liquid urethane colouring black. I was kind of torn with what I was going to do with this. Then it's been stained with a stain called, it's actually a wash. It's a waterborne stain for interior wood made in Quebec from Finitech. It doesn't actually say what colour it is, but it's white basically. It's Arctic white. Low overlap, easy to apply, low odorless. Yeah, actually, it is actually low VOC. So I stained it with that, as you saw in the last video, and then I just basically hit the box very simply with some water or soil. So it's kind of got a very strange patina, for want of a better term. You know, some of the resin I didn't stain; it's just white. Some of it I didn't put so much black in it, so it comes out being grey. Some of it I put a lot of black into it, so it's black. And I think it gives kind of an interesting finish. All the edges are rounded over with a gentle round over bit, which is a Bosch Precision Pro edge forming, which is still in my router. It's a 1-inch wide by half inch bit. And then the inside, just because I want it to be slightly schmancy, I'm sure you can see it. The inside is actually lined with aircraft grade, I guess it's 1/8 inch birch plywood, which is really expensive. Technically it's flex plywood. The only two parts of the original box that remain are these two pine pieces here and here at either end, where they actually had the holes for your hands to go in. That's the only bits that have actually been kept from the box. To attach the sides and the ends, obviously I'm using Type 1-3, the only glue you should ever use for anything. So it's Type 1-3, and then I'm using 16 gauge pins just to hold on the ends and the sides. Are the sides 16? Yeah, they're all pinned. I can see the pins pinned along the edge, so the 16 gauge. And the bottom, because I made the bottom 1/2 inch thick, or around 1/2 inch thick, those are actually held with, I think they're 32 gauge, because I've got two different nail guns, the bigger nail guns. So that's it. This is what I got bored waiting for stuff. So it is a rather pretty but still wonky. The original box, I'd like to point out, was all over the place, and this one is absolutely no different. It's still got a wiggle in it, and I don't care. It was a scrapwood project to keep me busy and keep me out of trouble, and that's what I built. I have absolutely no use for it, but I built it for shits and giggles. I could have done a slightly better job in the interior, but as I'm probably going to put rainbow six-bladable hats in my cupboard. Who cares? So that's it. A box. This is what happens when you've got scrap wood and you get bored. Like and subscribe for more builds. Oh. Please.